Once you've nurtured your seedlings to a sturdy, healthy state, it's time to give them a permanent home in the ground. But ensuring they thrive involves more than just digging a hole and planting them. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, let's talk about soil. Soil is like a home for your plants, providing essential nutrients and support for their growth. To ensure your plants have everything they need, it's important to prepare the soil properly. One way to enrich your soil is by adding natural fertilizers like ash. Ash is produced by burning wood. It contains phosphorus, potassium, calcium, iron, and other essential minerals that plants need to thrive. Mainly, it contains 25% calcium, which is excellent for tomatoes. Incorporating ash into your soil can help improve its fertility and provide your plants with the nutrients they require. When it comes to using these fertilizers, there are a few methods you can employ. You can mix them into the soil before planting to ensure the nutrients are evenly distributed. Alternatively, you can create a liquid fertilizer by mixing ash with water and using it to water your plants. This method allows the nutrients to be absorbed more quickly by the roots. Regardless of the method you choose, it's essential to monitor your soil's nutrient levels regularly. Testing your soil periodically can help you determine if your plants are receiving adequate nutrients or if adjustments need to be made. Here is how you can use wood ash before transplanting your tomato seedlings. First thing first, sprinkle wood ash in the ground and mix it with the soil. If you don't have wood ash, you can also use bone meal, crushed eggshells, or powdered writing chalk. After mixing wood ash in the soil, give it water and wait a few minutes. By doing that, you are ensuring that the roots of your tomato seedlings will have a lot of moisture to stay out of transplant shock as much as possible. Now let's talk about planting your tomatoes. When transplanting seedlings into the ground, it's essential to bury the stem deep into the soil. This encourages the development of strong roots, which are crucial for absorbing water and nutrients from the soil. The deeper you plant the stem, the more roots your plant will develop, leading to healthier and more productive plants. By following these steps and providing your plants with the nutrients they need, you'll be well on your way to growing healthy and bountiful tomatoes. So roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. If you found this helpful, show your support by liking our video and subscribing to our channel.